Assalamualaikum and hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Muiz and today I will be using Autocad again, but in this video will be different content because I will be doing my individual assignment for construction drawing. So let's get started. So the first thing I will show you is the units that we're using. So type units. Oops, sorry. So type units. Okay. So right now I'll be using architectural and for the precision I will be using 1 to 4. And for the units, I will be using inches. Okay, so the first thing I do is, okay, let's go it deeper. Okay, here. So for the base, I will be using rectangle. So click here to specify my first corner, and I will be typing my numbers that I want to use. So I'll be using 4, 5, 6, and comma. And for the next part is 297. Enter. So this will be my base point. So next I will be using lines to make a few sections for my rooms. So click here and I will be specifying 1, 2, 2. There. Snap of automate 1. Okay. Next is 148 and enter. Oops, sorry about that. Control Z and 148. Enter. Go down. Oops. To that one. This thing. So click online again and click here and type in 178. Enter. And the same thing go down. And go through this again. Here and lastly here, go to the top. Okay, now we have the base and the section for my rooms. So next, I will be using offsets to make the walls. So what I'm going to do is type on offsets here and specify the distance. I'll be using 100. Enter. So specify selected object. So this will be my selected object, and I'll be going to the right side. Okay, the right side. Okay, now click same thing here. Go top. Go to the top, and this one goes to the left. Let's go to the left, and lastly, also to the left. So now we trim the section that we don't want, like here, 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 here. Oops. Control Z here, here, and lastly here. Next, we will be making some windows and doors. So what I'm going to do first is window. So click on rectangle. Specify my first corner will be 600 by 100. So this will be my window width. Make a line here and over here. So this will be my window. So for the doors, I will be using rectangle again. Specify the first corner 100 by 100. Enter. And again, click rectangle again. So I'll be using this part. Okay. And now for the arc, we'll be using center, start, end, and click here. And okay. Now if you can see here, the arc doesn't fit and doesn't goes to the corner, right? So what you need to do, you click on the arc, and from this part here, you drag it to the top. And there you have it. There's a door. Let's copy this thing. Selection, click on the corners. Once network please. Okay, now we have a door. So now what I'm going to do is make this a group as a group, and this one also as a group. Group. Yes. Now we're going to put in our doors and windows to our base. So what I'm going to do is right click and copy selection and put where I'm going to put it. So of auto mode, I will be putting it two here, one here, two here, and lastly one here. For the doors, I will do the same. Copy selection, put one over here, one here, here, and here. So now we adjust the windows and doors. So click here, fits, off auto, off snap mode. So fits properly. Same thing over here. Okay. Oops. So this part over here, right click and rotate. Here also, right click and repeat rotate. Off auto mode. That's it, and nicely done. Over here also. Okay, nice. Over here. Okay, now we do the doors. So for the doors, we're going to make it rotate. So the inside. Also, okay, same here, right click and repeat rotate. Okay, so also rotate. And lastly this one. Rotator. Okay, nice. Move it. Oh, oops. Auto. Over here. Lovely. And this one goes over here. Alright. This part will be putting here. Okay, nice. And lastly part is here. So over here. Nice. Now we've done that. So now I'm going to make some layers to differentiate the doors, windows, and from the base. So I'm going to do is go to layers properties and create a new layers. So what I'm going to name is window and doors. For the color we pick the color orange. Orange, maybe this one orange. Okay. So now this part orange and now match properties to others. Okay, to match this, this here, this, oops, this part here, 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 and lastly over here. So now we have differentiate of base and the doors and windows. So next I will be using add center to add in some furniture to my house. So what I'm going to do is type in add center and click on design center. If you see here, go into sample and click on ENUS and design center. So here it goes to the home space plan and click on the blocks. So here you can see there's a lot of options that you can use. So I'll be using the rectangular. Click OK. Put it over here. Next is sofas. Okay, so put it over here. So put it over here. That's for the sofa, for the living room. Next for the kitchen or the dining room. So we'll be using this dining set. Click here and place it over here. Next is some plants. So plants. So here, okay, put it over here. And for my bedroom, we're using bed queen. Okay, put it over here and some chairs and maybe some chest desk and this chair desk. And put it over here and desk. Okay, put it over here. For now, we'll be using this. And if you want to search for the bathroom for the toilets, so you need to go to oops, sorry. Go to and then blocks and blocks design center goes to the house designing and there you have it. So we'll be using toilet from the top. Okay, and a bathtub. Okay, so that's all for now. So if we have another things, we can come back here and pick another stuff. So we'll be using this first. So we'll be decorating our living room first. So the first thing is the table. So I'm going to make this big. So click on scale, wait, first corner pop and drag it to make oops too big. Smaller. And this size. Okay. Now I'm going to move it. Put it over here for now. And take this sofas. Also scale it again to make it bigger. Too big, too small, too big, too small, too big. Okay. Inside. And let's leave for the 3 types sofas. Also using scale. Scale on this part here. Okay, so we'll be moving here to the inside first. We can adjust it over here. So we'll be adjusting this living room. So first, this part, I'm going to make it a lot smaller. So around this part here. Oops. Move it over here. For the table, also make it a lot bigger. Scale, not you, but scale here, right here. So it's okay. Nicely done. Put it over here. And for the two-sided sofas, I'm gonna rotate. Yeah, auto kick off auto, and I'm going to move it. So put it over here. Okay. Now we have the living room. So the plants, the plastic plants, so we also scale it to make it bigger. Oops, too big. Okay, now we're going to copy and paste this flower to put inside the house. So right click and copy selection. So put it over here, 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 and lastly here. Okay. Next is our bathroom for our bathroom. So this is the bathtub. So we also scale it to make it bigger. I'm going to basically scale everything to make it a lot bigger. Now we move this inside. Put it over here. First we need to rotate it. Now we move it to the oops auto. Now we make it small. Then scale it. Okay. Rotate. Auto mode is auto mode. Okay, off auto mode. And we move it to the bathroom, to the toilet. So we're going to put it over here. Maybe make it a little bigger. Scale it again. It's too big. It is too big. Okay, so that's for the bathroom. Next is for the dining kitchen, dining space over here. So we're using this. Make it, put it over here, and also scale it to make it bigger. Oops, so far away. Now we rotate it. Okay, now we do the bedroom. It's not bathroom, so bedroom. So put the bed first over here, and for the desk, So put it best here, and lastly the chair. Move it over here also. So now we scale it to make it bigger again. So far, scale it. Now we rotate it. That's click on scale. Put it over here. Oops. Okay. And also the chair. Okay. Now rotate. And we move it here. Okay. Now we have our house. Simple house. So now I'm going to make the furniture a lot different in a different color. So we make same thing, layers properties, create new layers and objects. Objects we put in the color blue, navy blue. Okay. So close this. So we click this. You just click on every object that you want to change the color. Click, 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 click. Oops. Oh shoot. Sorry. Click, click. Okay, now we change it to object color. And we match properties. A lot easier. So click, click, click. There you have it. So now I'll be using text to identify every parts of the house. So text. So okay, so I'm going to make this as bedroom. Oh, yes, so small. So double click and make it bigger. Oh, too big. Oops. Too big, so too big, too big, too big, too big, too small, too big, too big. Too small. Too big. I'm gonna make 10. It may be 5. Is it that too big? It is too big. Oh shoot. Now change it to 10. Same thing here. Just going to scale it. Okay, it's a lot easier. So now we're going to copy and paste the selection and put it over here, here, and here. So this is the bedroom. So this will be the toilet. So that, there we go. Then okay. And there you have it. A simple house sketch for my individual assignment. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy and learn new stuff from me. And thank you. And see you guys on the next video. Bye.